My name is Muhammad Noor. I am with Custom Works Guitar, or I am Custom Works Guitars. I do guitar repairs. I provide lessons, that kind of thing. So today I'm going to share with you how to select a classical guitar. If you are a total beginner, I recommend that you take up a classical guitar instead of an acoustic or an electric guitar. I will give you the details later, but this short sharing session is to give you an idea of what guitar you should be looking for when you pick up a classical guitar. So the first kind of guitar that I would recommend, there will be three. The first guitar that I'm going to recommend is actually this guitar. I'm going to put this aside. This is a C70 guitar. If you go to Carousel, if you are a bit tight of a budget, you want a better guitar, you can get a Yamaha C70. These are student models, alright. So as spruce top, sometimes they got cedar wood, that kind of thing. But not to worry, most of the guitars that Yamaha produces, most of the time is of high quality, alright. So you take a look here, CS, C40, C40M is all variations of pretty much the same thing, a classical guitar, alright. So this will be my first model that I would recommend. I played this guitar before. I have several. I got C70, C80, C40. I played them. They are quite nice to play with, so you might want to consider this guitar, alright. The second guitar that I would recommend is this C40. Alright, C40 is also a student model. Then the last one that I would recommend, because I have a lot of experience with this particular guitar, and I have a few guitars that I bought over the years, which is this model, is SEG11 from Suzuki. This guitar I recommend because it's slight of a modern twist of the classical guitar, alright. So classical guitar, most classical guitars like this, right, they do not have something called a truss rod, alright. Within the guitar neck itself here, if it's a classical guitar, a true classical guitar, it doesn't have any truss rod. Okay, there's a piece of metal underneath here which actually gives you a bit of a bit more, what we call it, flexibility to actually change the angle or change the relief of the guitar, so it can go forward or go back. This is a bit hard to explain because this deals with setting up guitars, but I'm just telling you what you need if you want a better guitar to start off with. Okay, so for this Suzuki classical guitar, I recommend because there is a truss rod in the middle. If in the future you think that the guitar it plays a bit too high, meaning the strings is a bit too far from your guitar fretboard, then you might want to consider SEG11 because it has a truss rod, and the likelihood of you getting it set up from any of the guitar repair techs for it to bring it closer to the neck is higher, so it becomes a bit more easier for you to play. Now the function for the setup is to make the guitar easier for you to play. So if you have this truss rod, it gives you a bit more flexibility for you to actually adjust the guitar accordingly to help you play better. Alright, get it? Good. Now, any of these three guitars are good guitar to start off with. I personally love the SEG11. If you are on a tight budget, also you can get on Carousel. Some people selling it for $100 odd, but you need to check the condition. Okay, that's my sharing session. If you have any other questions or you got any queries or doubts, do let me know. I'm not the best tech in the world, let's just put it out there. I'm not the best tech in the world, but of course I have some experience that I could share. Okay, so let me know if you need me. You know where to find me. I'm at Custom Works Guitars, this guy here. Okay, I'm on Instagram as well. You can just put custom works guitars, it will come out. I'll see you when I see you on the next episode. Bye.